Hello, my name is Eric Gruenstein, and I'm a neuroscientist at the University of Cincinnati College of Medicine. I've been interested in global warming for about a decade now, but I started to become really seriously frightened by the prospect when I realized that we might be screwing up my grandchildren's lives in ways that they will not possibly be able to reverse, ever. Why do I say ever? Because climate change is different from other potential calamities that we worry about. Things like nuclear war, global economic collapse, and flu pandemics. I can tell you why it's different in just 2 words. Tipping points. Those other problems differ from climate change because no matter how far along the approach path to those other disasters we are, we can still alter our behavior and draw back from the brink. With climate change, on the other hand, we're tampering with Mother Nature in ways that at certain points she will take over control, and then it no longer matters what we do. These are the tipping points, and each of them ends with the phrase, "and the warmer it gets, the warmer it gets." Let me give you 2 very brief examples. One involves ice, and the other involves soil. The ice cap at the North Pole is melting, and as it melts, white ice is replaced with blue ocean water. The white ice reflects light into space. The blue ocean water absorbs the energy of that light. As it absorbs this energy, the water warms up. The more it warms, the faster the ice melts, and the more light-absorbing water is exposed. It's a vicious cycle, and the warmer it gets, the warmer it gets. Once the ice cap is gone, and it's already disappearing much faster than we expected, once it's gone and has been completely replaced by heat-absorbing water, the ice cap will not return for the foreseeable future. The tundra of Alaska and Siberia contains billions and billions of tons of organic matter that have been frozen there for about 11,000 years. As the soil warms up, these vast carbon stores are being converted by bacteria into methane, a greenhouse gas that's about 23 times as potent as carbon dioxide. As the air warms up from release of these greenhouse gases, more tundra is thawing and releasing yet more greenhouse gases. And the warmer it gets, the warmer it gets. There are other tipping points that we're also fast approaching. They include the death of vast stretches of carbon dioxide absorbing evergreen trees in the Rockies and the Canadian Northwest, and the loss of our rainforests. The list goes on, and all the tipping points are connected by the common factor of climate warming. As each tipping point is reached and passed, the next tipping point becomes easier to reach. So the message I want to leave you with is that if we act too slowly, and we allow any of these tipping points to be passed, our children and grandchildren are going to find themselves in a deep, hot hole with no clear way out. We must act now, and we must act forcefully.